Hello everyone, we from Group 5 want to make video project about unemployment. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Intan Prasri.
My name is Alia dari Wibowo.
My name is Kansari Prasanti.
My name is Anindya Zulfa Sasikirana.
And one friend is Anissa Brigita.
Thank you.
Every year, thousands of fresh graduates in Indonesia graduate full of hope. However, there is the reality that it's difficult to find work, which causes many people to be unemployed. To see this challenge, a social campaign called Fresh Grad Page was born, a social media platform that focuses on sharing job tips and inviting young people to improve their skills, so they are better prepared to compare. This is not just a campaign, but a real step to pave the way to a brighter future.
Fresh Grad Page is here to bridge the unemployment problem among fresh graduates. Through Instagram, this movement provides a platform for sharing college jobs, opening information, career tips, and educational content about the importance of skilling and reskilling. Yeah, the campaign goals are simple but powerful. 1. Helping fresh graduates find job opportunities faster. 2. Increase awareness of the importance of educational skills. 3. Building a community of mutual assistance among job seekers. And the last, reducing young unemployment in a modern, easy, and free way. So yeah, with its launch, Fresh Grad Page is expected to help young people find opportunities, build skills, and regain hope.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm good too. Okay, so before I'm asking you several questions, I will introduce myself first. My name is Kansari Prasanti and I'm from Sociology Education. So can you please introduce yourself? Like, what's your name and what major are you?
Okay, thank you, Kansa. Nice to meet you. And I want to introduce myself. My name is Listia Aulia Rueda, but you can call me Listia. I am first graduate from Chemical Engineering Department.
Okay, so let's just move on to the questions. So first, are you currently doing an internship or looking for a job?
Okay, right now I am actively looking for a job.
Okay, if you're looking for a job, what challenge are you facing?
Okay, honestly, the toughest part is the competition. A lot of entry-level roles still expect real industry experience, so the bar is pretty high for the fresh graduates.
Okay, is job vacancy information is easy to find? If yes, like on which platforms like LinkedIn, JobStreet, or others, and are the requirements difficult?
In my opinion, finding job posts is not really the issue, but I usually check LinkedIn, JobStreet, and sometimes my campus career portal. And the challenge is more on the requirements. They can be quite demanding, not from the finding job post, but the the challenge is more on the requirements.
Okay, next, what skills are most needed in the workforce today?
Okay. Uh, for me, companies are moving fast, so it is all about a mix of technical skills, digital literacy, problem solving, communication, and adaptability. You need both the technical foundation and the ability to keep up the change.
Okay, do you already have any skills, and what skills do you want to improve?
Okay, because I'm from the chemical engineering department, I've got the basics in the process engineering, lab work and data analysis, and also problem solving. But soft skills wise, I am solid in communication and teamwork. I'm trying to level up more in data analysis and industry related to software and many more.
Okay, next, in your opinion, are skills important when entering the workforce?
Yeah, Definitely yes, because the hard skills help you do the job and the soft skills help you to survive the job. So you need both to be effective.
Okay. Next questions. In your opinion, what is the main cause of high unemployment among fresh graduates?
There is still a gap between what we learn in class and what companies actually needed. So many students graduate without enough hands-on experience or portfolio.
Okay. Next, in your opinion, what solution can help students become more job ready?
Okay, for me, the solution to be more job ready for the fresh graduate or job seekers don't rely on an academics, join organization, committees, volunteers works, and take internships or training and build real experience, not just grades.
Okay. Last questions. Any advice for fellow students who are currently job hunting?
Okay, for all of people that are job hunters or job seekers, you must to stay proactive. You must to keep learning, build your network, and take any role that can be a stepping stone. The market is tough, but consistency really pays off.
Okay, that's a nice advice. So thank you for answering all the questions. Have a nice day.
Yeah, have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. Could you please start by introducing yourself? Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Rizka Izadarani. You can call me Rizka. I'm fresh graduate from University of Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Jakarta. I'm in major public health with concentration epidemiology. Okay. Are you currently doing an internship or looking for a job? Actually, I've been internship in Ministry of Health of Republik Indonesia, but it's at my second semester, and now I do looking for a job after I'm graduate. If you are doing an internship or looking for a job, what challenge are you facing? I'm facing the many challenge, such as I think is the is looking for a job is my opinion is very limited application. For example, in LinkedIn, there are in one position, there are more than 100 apply for just one people or one position. I think it is very limited to apply the job in this time. Uh, is the fancy information easy to find? If yes, on which platforms such as LinkedIn, Jobstreet, or others are the requirements difficult? I think the information of job is pretty hard for me because it not application is open to public. There are any application is only shared to relative or friends maybe. And so far I find the job in LinkedIn, Jobstreet, also senior and friends in my college. What skill do you think are most needed in the workforce today? I think skill is most need to job. Uh, it depends on position, I think. For example, to help data analysis, this position must proficient in specific tools or software kind of SPSS or Stata or QGIS, but to another position have a different qualification or skill. It depends on the major in the college. Do you already have any skill? What skill would you like to improve? During my college, as a health data analysis, I have skill in English with data. It's health data from national, and I usually to analyze data with SPSS and also QGIS for mapping the disease throughout in Indonesia. In your opinion, are skill important when entering the workforce? Of course, skill so important for a job is Microsoft Office, maybe Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, or the specific tools also need to job. For example, SPSS, Tata, or QGIS, and also many more in the different position. Uh, what do you think is the main cause of high unemployment among fresh graduates? I think there are many unemployed among fresh graduates because the job in entry level is very very limited, and there are too many positions at senior level job, and for fresh grad is impossible to apply the job in senior level, and the entry position too is pretty difficult too, because it's mainly specific qualification or have to 1 or 2 years of internship and many more. What solution do you think can help students become more job ready? I think is for becoming job ready, apply for position internship in college or after graduate. Also can apply for internship position. And the fresh graduate must to improve our skills, hard skill or soft skill. Hard skill is, for example, is improve English, because the many job needs to proficient in English, and also improve to soft skill too. For example, Microsoft Word, Excel, specific tools, and many more. And the last, do you have any advice for fellow students who are currently job hunting? Advice to, especially in college student, do internship when in the last semester, and improve your skill, learn some language, especially English or many more, and if and and search job with a senior in college.
Hi, my name is Ali and and you?
My name is Yunus Alhamdulillah Fatima.
Okay, first of all, but I want to ask you your opinion. First, please introduce yourself.
My name is Yunus Alhamdulillah Fatima. I'm from Sociology Education.
Okay, next, in your opinion, are skills important when entering the workforce?
In my opinion, essential skills include communication, teamwork, critical thinking, adaptability, and mastery of basic technology.
Okay, next, in your opinion, what is the main cause of high unemployment among fresh graduates?
The main causes of the expansion of new graduates are a mismatch between competency and industry needs, lack of work experience, and increasingly fierce competition.
Okay, let's question. In your opinion, what solution can help students become more job ready?
Solution that support job readiness include interesting internship, practical skills training, career guidance, and campus industry collaboration to strengthen competency.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, hi. I would like to interview you about your opinion on an unemployment fresh graduate. Will be okay?
Okay, my pleasure.
Okay, before we start, what is your name?
My name is Rampal Yendi Ramadhani
Where are you currently studying?
at Bina Nusantara Universities.
And what is your major?
My major is management students.
Okay, the first question is, in your opinion, are skills important when entering the workforce?
In my opinion, communication skills are most important. Many new graduates have technical skills but find it difficult to convey their ideas clearly. In addition, adaptability is also very much needed because the work environment changes rapidly.
Okay, that's good. The next question is, in your opinion, what is the main cause of high unemployment rates among recent graduates?
Many graduates do not have relevant work or internship experience. In addition, their soft skills are lacking, making it difficult to compete with other candidates who are more prepared in practical terms.
Okay, the last question is, in your opinion, what solution can help students become more prepared for the workforce?
I think universities need to increase internship programs and collaborative projects with companies.
Hello, hi. I would like to interview you about your opinion on unemployment fresh graduate. Will be okay?
Oh, okay, sure.
Okay, before we start, what is your name?
My name is Ananditya Safira Asmara
Where are you currently studying?
at Polymedia,
And what is your major?
advertising.
Okay, the first question is, in your opinion, are skills important when entering the workforce?
Okay, technology skills and digital literacy are now mandatory. Almost all jobs require the ability to operate certain software or platforms.
Okay, thank you. The next question is, in your opinion, What is the main cause of high unemployment rates among recent graduates?
The gap between the campus curriculum and industry need is still large. The material tool often does not follow the lead of development, so that graduates are less relevant in the job market.
Okay. The last question is, in your opinion, what solution can help students become more prepared for the workforce?
The world of education needs to collaborate more often with industry to update the curriculum. Students also need to actively learn on their own through online courses, also they don't need depend on campus material.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Number of unemployed Indonesians falls to 7.47 million. The number of unemployed Indonesians has decreased to 7.74 million in August, a decrease of 390,000 compared to the same month in the previous year, Statistics Indonesia revealed on Tuesday. The open unemployment rate in August 2024 decreased to 4.91% from the total labor force in Indonesia, BPS acting head Amalia Adininga Widyasanti told a press conference on Tuesday. This latest figure was significantly lower than during the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic, when unemployment reached 9.77 million in August 2020, reflecting an unemployment rate of 7.07%. However, it was an increase from the pre-pandemic unemployment figure of 7.10 million in August 2019. The decline in the unemployment was observed in both men and women, standing at 4.90% and 4.92% respectively. Banten recorded the highest unemployment rate in Indonesia, with 414,750 individuals reported to be unemployed as of August.
I chose to join because I also struggled to find work after graduating, helping others through first grade. Page is incredibly motivating. Thanks to this campaign, I realized that my skills were still lacking. I'm motivated to learn more, especially digital skills.
We can't leave young people to face the harsh work of work alone. We can get involved. It's simple. First, follow and share the Fresh Graduate page platform. Second, share credible job topic. Third, support workshop and skill training coordination. The last one, invite fellow fresh graduates to join the company. Your one click can open doors of opportunity for others. We believe that a brand secure isn't just for a local company, but for everyone who is given equal opportunity. Together with fresh graduates, let's help fresh graduates find their way. For more information, visit our social media platforms and be part of the text.